Hello there, wonderful teachers. I am really hoping to inspire you with today's session to get yourself signed up to a free Canva profile or subscription. So Canva, if you've been hiding under a rock, is basically a design tool. So you can make so many things with this. Worksheets. You can make revision booklets. You can make posters. Like anyone can use this software. It's so intuitive. So this is basically your Canva homepage. I'm just going to show you how to do one small thing on this, just to show you how easy it is. I'm going to show you how to do some bookmarks, some subject themed bookmarks, which I've done before. And I've made them free on my test store. I've done like 3 geography themed bookmarks using Canva. I'll pop the link for you to download those from my test store, or I'll just upload the PDF file. But it's really great if you come and do your own. So I'm going to do a couple of examples. I'm going to make one from a history perspective because after geography I teach quite a lot of history, and you can use these for like rewards if you've got a literacy initiative, if you just want to give them something to do as a nice little starter at this time of year. So let's get started. Okay, all you've got to do is pop in this toolbar what you want to make. Okay, so I want to make a bookmark. So I'm going to put bookmark on. Yeah, there's some suggestions here. Let's go for kids bookmark and see what comes up. Now, what you really want to do is you want to create a black and white version, because A, that's going to save you on printing costs, and B, it's going to give them something to do. They're going to have to color it in, make it pretty, make it personal, their own. So it might be useful to choose one that's already kind of in black and white, but you can swap out all of the stuff on it, so it doesn't really matter. So something fairly plain is probably where we want to go. I mean, this might be nice if you're doing geography or science. Let's go with this one here. Okay. So I have looked at some like famous history quotes and picked one out that I'm going to use. I'm going to use one by Winston Churchill. Okay, I'm just going to zoom in to make that a bit bigger. There we go. Oh, you can see that this template's actually made too, which is cool. We're going to use this one. I love reading. Let's get rid of that. So I'm going to click in the box and I'm going to put whatever Winston Churchill said. I think he said history is written by the victors. I think I got that right. So let's put that in. History is written by the victors. Obviously, he was in charge, wasn't he, during one of the world wars? So Winston Churchill quote's probably a bit of a crowd pleaser. Now you can decrease the font on this so that it fits and you're happy with it. Okay. You could change the font if you want to. You just click this drop down. Maybe you want something a bit more impactful. Don't like that one so much. Something impactful. Yeah, maybe that one. Maybe it's the effects I don't like. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, maybe a little bit of a drop shadow. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So I'm going to make that a bit bigger again. All right. I'll put Winston Churchill underneath. I'm going to make that smaller. Let's see if I can just drag this up a little bit. There you go. There we go. Perfect. Right. So obviously we need to change the images because the bear, cute and all, but it's not history related. Okay. So we can get rid of that if you want to. I've just right clicked on that and then I'm pressing delete. Same on this one here. Left click on the image, right click on it. Yeah, delete it. Blah 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 blah. On this one. Okay. Let's skip the tool. Right click delete. Okay. So what we want to do now is basically find two graphics or some black and white outline content or pictures that fit in with, you know, this war theme or just generic history stuff, really. So I don't know if Winston Churchill's going to appear, but we can have a look. So when you come to the images, what you want to do is you want to hit this elements bar here, okay, and you can type, you can put whatever you want in here and it'll bring something up. So I'm just going to put history, right, and just see what pops up. So we've got stuff, artifacts, museums, etc., etc. A little bit generic. That's kind of cool. But again, it's not black and white, which is what we really, I mean, it will print out in grayscale. Now, this is okay because you could drag these in and you could just make them, you could make them black. So let's say you drag that in. Oh, look, it's turned black anyway. Okay, let's continue scrolling down. I'm gonna leave them on there for now. We'll leave them on. Okay. So maybe let's see war or maybe tanks and see what comes up. Yeah, do you know what? I like that better. I'm gonna swap that out. I'm gonna put that in. I like that one better. Make it a bit bigger. Yeah, okay. Yeah, cool. What else have we got? You can even like put tanks outline if you want it to bring up like outline of stuff. Yeah. Some of these are a little bit cartoonified. But as soon as you see something that you like, you can drag it. That's kind of cool. Yeah, that's more kind of what I was thinking of going for. And what you can do is you can like actually like overlap these as well. So let's say I wanted another tank. Paste. Yeah, I want another one. I want this one rolling in. Yeah, okay, nice. You can actually overlap stuff. Let's say I wanted something going on in the background. Maybe like a victory flag or something like that. Let's put victory. See what comes up. Maybe let's try victory flag outline. That one. Let's try that one. Yeah. Now it's yeah. If something comes up and it's white on white, you want to make it black. All you would need to do is just literally change the color like that. So I want to make that flag red, for example. There you go, bing. It's that easy. Yeah, but we're printing these out. Yeah, so that is like literally as how easy it is to make. And you can spend a lot more time, you know, fiddling around and getting things that you wanted, or you know, moving things around in place. Yeah, it's absolutely great. Right. So let's say that you're happy with your design as this. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to save it and you're going to export it. So file, save, blah, 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 it's saved. And then if you want to share it, you want to download it, and save it, you've got to share it as well. So hit share. So you could copy the link on this toolbar here, and you could make this available for everyone to see, colleagues or whatever, kids even, potentially, go and like print this out or go and adapt this, make it your own. Or you can download it. So this is most often what I use, is I download it. And it says, right, PDF print, which I use. Select pages 2. Well, I've not done the second page, okay. So I'm just going to save this first page here. Color profile, I usually just keep that as it is. Oh, where's that go? Let's pop that download. Download. There we go. The only bad thing about this is when you save it and print it as it is like this, it will literally just print one bookmark on one A4 page, which is a bit wasteful. So you'll have to speak to your reprographics people and, get them to, put 4 onto a page for you. I mean, that is how easy Canva is. And you can do the same process to create worksheets or, revision tables or like keyword grids. Like, it's such a great resource. So that was a very quick whistle-stop tour introduction to Canva. I could literally happily spend hours on this. I'm suggesting that you don't. But yeah, hopefully that's given you some inspiration. So that's it from me for this session. See you in the next one.